1. Fingerprint as a science. It is an identification of a person to the use of reach appearing the finger of the palm of the hand and sole of the foot. 2. Fingerprint as an impression, or it is a reproduction some surface of the pattern formed by the ridge on the first joint of the finger. 3. Two types of fingerprint. Rolled impression. Rolled impression is rolling the finger, and 2 is plain impression. No need to roll the finger, in just dent the finger including the thumb. 4. Uh, Anthropometry. The first system of personal identification. 5. Gyroscopy. It is a examination to study to the palm of the human hand as point of identification of a person. 6. Core. Approximately center of the pattern. It is placed upon or within the innermost sufficient recurve. 7. Delta. A point of reach or nearest to the point of divergence of two type lines. It locates at or directly in front of the point of divergence. Uh, Ichthyoscopy 8. Study of chronological characteristic of friction, ridge, shape or contour of the edge of friction ridge. 9. Fingerprint is an impression of the friction ridge or all or any part of the finger. 10. Loop. One or more ridge enter the upon either side or recurve text or pass of an imaginary line between delta and core. Pass out or tend to pass upon the same side the ridge entered. 11. Three loop characteristic. Sufficient recurve delta and a ridge counts or looping ridge. 12. Poroscopy refers to examination of the shape, size, and arrangement of the small opening on friction ridge to which body or fluids are secret or released. 13. Podoscopy, a term of coined by the filter and when treats the refers to examination of the souls and their significant and personal identification. 14. Radiology describe the individual visualization process of any area of friction skin or using unavailable detail. 15. Uh, Ridge dots or an isolated ridge unit whose line approximate its read in size. 16. Bifurcation, the point at which friction ridge divide into two friction ridge. 17. Trifurcation, the point of at which One friction ridge divides into three friction ridge. 18. Ending ridge. A single friction ridge that terminates within a friction ridge structure. Ridge. Ridge crossing. Point where two ridge units intersect. 20. Enclosure. Lakes or a single friction ridge that bifurcates the ends of rejoin after short cures and continue as a single friction ridge. 21. Short ridge or islands. Frictions or maybe verbing line. 22. Spark hook. Um, uh, Bifurcation which one short ridge branching a longer ridge. 23. Bridge. Uh, a connecting friction ridge between parallel running ridge and generally right angle. Dactynoscopy, derived from the Latin word dactyl or finger and scopian, to study or examine, is the practical application of the science of fingerprints. 25. Dactylography uh, is the scientific study of fingerprint as a mean of identification. 26. Dactylomacy is the scientific study of fingerprint for purpose of personal interpretation. 27. Dermatologics is the science of which deals with the study of the skin pattern. 28. Individuality. No two persons have the same fingerprint based on statistic probability. 29. Infallibility. The finger is positive and real world, reliable, and identification. It cannot be easily be forget. 30. Constancy or permanency. That the friction ridge, once the fully developed ridge arranged in will be remain the same to the man's life.